Our Raja 2.0, Yo-Yo and Chitrangada's union, reunion.
Oh, wow, okay. I suppose Mr. Honey Singh, आपके लिए है ये actually सवाल. Let's do this. Why not? कुंडी मत खटकाओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा, मूड बनाओ ताजा ताजा.
We want 2.0 now. Honey Singh, if you're listening this, did you had any complexion while working with Deepika on Desi Birds?
Oh,
Hashtag for Akshay Paji.
hashtag prankster.
देख अच्छा होता है कभी कभी that when 3, 4, 5 heroines are there has to थोड़ा complexion आ जाता है, there's ego.
I'm
You
the
know?
consistent crush.
I was
Others come and go. I am the consistent.
Chitrangada is modern day Smita Patil.
Oh.
So, before coming here, when I just announced to my friends or whosoever, जो भी आजू बाजू थे, I said that I'm doing Chitrangada's interview, and they were like, please tell her, that was this one constant thing which is coming up, please tell her that she is our crush.
Oh, wow, okay.
And she's our crush for so long.
So
It hasn't
long.
changed. It hasn't changed.
Okay.
And this is like people are excited more. Like I am excited, but the people around me were more excited
Oh,
that
that's so sweet. I'm
you
the
know.
consistent crush.
I was
Others come and go. I am the consistent crush.
I was about to say this statement that you've been the consistent
crush.
of everyone out there, not
So
just
usually
the
people
men.
say national crush, like I am the constant crush.
Yeah. So nobody can replace you, is what I feel.
Oh, so sweet. Yeah, please go back and thank them. And
Yeah.
I mean, it means a lot. Helps me, my ego.
No, it's not
my
my ego.
actor ego. It helps me. No, thank you so
But
much. I take that.
मैं दिशा जसोरिया आपका फिल्मी ज्ञान पे बहुत बहुत स्वागत करना चाहूँगी.
Thank you.
How are you feeling सबसे पहले तो?
How am I feeling? You
Yeah.
mean with the work and everything?
Like, but
It's
in
very-
general, how are you
In general, how I'm
feeling?
feeling? I'm feeling great. Yeah, I feel like at this point in my life, I feel very settled. Under like
Yeah.
होता है ना. Otherwise, you go through these restless phases होते हैं of your life. I think I've gone past it, and I had some roller coasters,
Yeah.
that I've gone through, emotionally, personally, work-wise. But I think I've come to a point now where I feel very settled. I feel like जो भी कुछ है is a bonus now.
Yeah.
Whatever comes is great.
But Chitrangada, if I have to ask you this one question, which is like out of curiosity, everyone wishes to know that why not more of Chitrangada? इतना space, इतना gap क्यों आ जाता है of you selecting roles or doing movies? Like, how do you process your scripts? Is it like very calculative decision, or do you?
I think it's also a lack of the kind of work that I would want to do that comes my way.
Okay.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जैसा मैं काम करना चाहती हूँ या फिर I'm looking the makers that I want to work with do not approach me probably, and I think maybe it has something to do with people thinking पता नहीं यहाँ है नहीं है, is she in Delhi, is she here, because I did take a very long break of 7 years, and then I took another short almost a year and a half, 2 years का break. So I suppose sometimes in the industry people think that maybe she doesn't want to work. Will she want to do this? So I think वो भी थोड़ा सा has been the case maybe. So yeah, I suppose it's a mix of that. But no, I don't think ऐसा कुछ है कि मैं इतनी selective हूँ that I don't want to work and I'm so choosy. Not at all. I don't think I'm like that.
But then whenever you are on screen, we feel like it's home. We see you on the screen, and again you're back with Houseful 5 with the banger.
Yes.
मतलब आपको देख के मुझे मेरे दिमाग में 2 गाने चल रहे थे. One was लाल परी लाल, and the second one was like a very बहुत पुराना song, Sajna. It reminds me of
John's film. Yes.
It reminds me of you.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
I have heard this after a long time. But
reminds
thank
me
you.
of
It's
you.
a beautiful song.
Very beautiful song.
Yeah.
But then talking about Houseful 5, people are talking about you again.
Yeah.
There have been like reviews में आपकी बातें हो रही है. There have been people appreciating and wanting to see you more now. People are expecting Chitrangada now to not disappear. Please.
No, I don't think I'll disappear. I think there'll be more work. You'll see more of me. I don't want to disappear, and I don't think I'm disappearing.
Yeah.
Yes.
I took Tarun sir's interview few days back, and he was just giving me some, kuch aise, what all happened during the shoots and everything. He said that prank to itne hote the, like
Oh yes.
people used to go gaga,
Yeah.
all 17, 18 of you together. What
It
was
was a house
it
full.
was a house full.
It was a house full at house full.
But then what was it like? आपके ऊपर कोई prank खेला गया? Do you
बहुत,
remember?
बहुत
One
pranks.
prank.
I know, I'm so sorry. Ab na, I'm going to actually write it down when I'm on shoot because with Akshay and Abhishek, my
Yeah.
God, these two are the biggest pranksters. And Akshay छोटा मोटा prank करके निकल जाते हैं, but Abhishek can keep that prank going for days, huh? Because he'll meet you again and then he'll say नहीं 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 ये गलत है, तुमको किसने बोला ऐसे, ऐसा नहीं है, वो बहुत गंदा हुआ था shot, तो लेकिन something or the other he'll just, and he can really play with your mind. He is very good at it. So yeah, these two were always at it. बाकी सब बहुत, I think, no, Ritesh and all of were very, what the bichare bahut,
Chill.
they're very nice, good boys. But these two were the devils on set, and they were always pranking.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
then talking about the girls' gang, Sonam, Jacqueline, Nergis.
Yeah.
You guys, how well did you guys bonded? Like अच्छा होता है कभी-कभी that when 3, 4, 5 heroines are there has to थोड़ा complexion आ जाता है. There's ego, there's fights happening. There's like अभी आप बहुत pretend कर रहे हो. And then was there sort of kind of thing which happened, or did you gel up with everyone?
You know,
Be honest.
I'll be very honest. See, firstly, I didn't get to spend that much time with the girls because unki jo scenes hain, I don't know if you've seen the film, are all together. So I actually hung out with the boys more because most of my work was, say, with Fardeen, with Dino, Ritesh, and these people. So I hung out with them a lot. I used to also have dinners with them because most of the shots, like suppose the girls are shooting, at the cruise also. So this half was not shooting. So aisa kuch hua that somehow we didn't end up till we came back to Bombay and we started shooting here. Here we did chill a lot together, and Nargis I think is one of the nicest human beings I've met. Usse zyada chill, easy, real person is very tough to find. She's a sweetheart. Even Jacqueline, I feel like everybody has so much of work already done. Everyone is so secure. Jitne bhi hain, I mean, you take anybody's name, so I don't think anybody had any issues with anyone. Not at all. It's not like we are young and we're just starting off. Tab I understand this insecurity. But I mean, Jacqueline and even Sonam, so much of work, and all the other actors, my God, they're all stalwarts. Unko to zarurat hi nahi hai.
These passing years, since you mentioned insecurities, were there like times when कुछ script आई है आपके पास, but then it went to somebody else because of maybe a star kid, or maybe somebody else was given a preference above you, but you deserved it. You deeply knew that you deserved it. And if you wish to share with us.
That does happen. ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm sure everyone has a story, you know. सबके साथ कभी ना कभी, and I don't even know if it is a star kid thing or a non-filmy or outsider thing. Even with them, it must have happened. There is a constant fight for getting the right part, and there's always a constant competition to work with this filmmaker, or this is the most amazing project, तो वो I think हमेशा रहता है. Of course, I feel like some of the projects जो मुझे लगा कि शायद मुझे मिलने चाहिए थे और नहीं मिले किसी वजह से.
If you can name one?
I don't think I can name one. Let's not do that. Because, I mean, the thing is that it's the maker's decision at the end of the day. Who am I to question कि आपने इस वजह से? It won't be fair. Maybe they had some other reason. Maybe they had a good reason, So I don't know. But in fact, what I feel bad is जो मेरे bad decisions रहे हैं. Like I have missed out on Gangster. I missed out on Tanu Weds Manu, Mangal Pandey. I missed out on Chalte Chalte with Shah Rukh, which I only got to know much later because Shah Rukh himself told me about this. And उन्होंने कहा कि तब वो 7 साल जो मैंने gap लिया था, phone number change किया था, and all of that I did, So they couldn't get in touch with me. So in fact, मेरे कुछ ऐसे decisions रहे हैं where I've lost
जी,
out on work.
जी,
So
जी.
I don't think the industry's been unfair with me. No,
I
not
guess this
so
comes
much.
with the place of secureness and the way that you're confident in yourself. I guess the answer, but
Answer, yeah. I mean, you know, it's very easy to blame people.
Yeah,
But you know, life is not fair anywhere. मुझे ऐसा लगता है, and I
True.
don't want to cry over it. I think the industry's given me a lot. बहुत कम काम किया है, but I think they haven't forgotten me. I've taken long
haven't.
breaks, and the audience hasn't
one
forgotten
thing I have to give you this credit is that people have not forgotten you. Forget about the
Thank you.
industry. The
Thank
impact you've
you.
created on people's minds still there.
Thank
and that I
you.
give it to you.
Thank you
That's very
so
beautiful.
much. Thank
And
you.
moving forward to the segment वाला part.
Yeah.
जनता के questions हैं, थोड़ा जवाब दे दीजिएगा.
Okay.
What the comments? सबसे पहला है, we want Aao Raja 2.0, Yo-Yo and Chitrangada's reunion.
Oh, wow. Okay. Well, I mean, Honey can do this. I suppose, Mr. Honey Singh, आपके लिए है ये actually सवाल. Let's do this. Why not?
But when it came out, it went banger.
It was crazy.
That was crazy,
It
and
was crazy.
people again went mad for you.
Yeah.
Like what
it was-
Chitrangada has did on screen, that particular song. Oh my god.
Yeah. And it's also, I don't think anybody expected me to do it.
Do you think somebody else would have done it better than you?
Oh, a lot of people could have done it better, yeah. I don't know. Who can I think of? Why don't you tell me?
I don't think so. I don't think so. That song belongs to you. Take that. That song belongs to you.
I think that song belongs to me. Yeah, nobody else is doing it.
And I want
And
you
the
to
2.0.
and now I want you to sing 2 lines of.
Oh God, I'm such a bad singer.
Let's do it for Honey.
मेरे
Singh.
सारे fans भाग जाएंगे.
नहीं
We don't
जाएंगे.
do that.
No, we'll enjoy
What
this.
do I do?
कुंडी मत खड़काओ राजा. Let's do it together.
Okay, let's do it together. कुंडी मत खटकाओ राजा, सीधा अंदर आओ राजा,
मूड पिछा
परफ्यूम
परफ्यूम
लगा
लगा
के
के
मूड
मूड
बनाओ
बनाओ
ताजा
ताजा
ताजा.
ताजा. We want 2.0 now. Honey Singh, if you are listening this, please.
Yes, let's do this. Why not?
The second question is, Chitrangada ma'am, did you had any complexion while working with Deepika on Desi Boys?
Oh, you mean I felt competitive with
Yeah,
her?
yeah.
Listen, when I got cast for Desi Boys, I firstly was like, how am I doing this? You know, because Rohit called me.
Yeah.
Rohit Dhawan.
Yeah.
He wanted me to be in the film. I went, I read for it, and till then they hadn't told me that it's opposite Akshay. I didn't know. I thought, okay, there's a character in the film, maybe, you know, I'll go and meet as David's son in
Yeah.
his first film and everything. And then they said it's with Akshay. And I was like, Akshay, like, she's so commercial, and my work is not commercial at all.
Yeah.
Like, at that point, my body of work was very different. So I said, okay. I mean, it just was like, all right, let's do this.
Yeah.
This should be fun, you know,
Yeah.
why not? The one thing I feel is that I always want to do different things. मुझे ये बहुत था कि यार अलग-अलग try करते हैं, because I am not one person. I'm
Yeah.
different people, you know. So Deepika was, of course, a huge name already. So I don't think there was any sense of competition in my head at all. I was doing my part. I was having fun. I'm
Yeah.
like, yo, man, this is not something I thought I saw coming my way at all. So Deepika was actually, I think, a bit of a senior in the sense that she'd done a lot more commercial work, more experience in that sense.
Yeah.
Competition, though, I don't even, not even remotely in my head at all. And she's lovely, you know. So, yeah.
And last comment is, Chitrangada is modern day Smita Patil.
Oh,
Somebody's compared you with.
yeah, I know.
Do you
That's,
like how do you take it?
it's, so, you know, one person is saying this, and as soon as I start to respond, जब ये आप शायद अगर play करेंगे answer, then some of them will say, अच्छा ज़रूर. You think you are Smita Patil.
Okay.
You can never be Smita Patil. Don't think. So there are different reactions to it, you know. But to be fair, Smita ji is somebody that I don't think my work comes close to. I feel she was way ahead of her times, and बहुत बड़ा compliment है. In fact, Shekhar Kapoor also gave me a similar compliment. Ketan Mehta gave me after my first film. So it has stuck with me. A lot of people then start to say, "Acha, we thought that aap Smita hai," and then you go and do a Kundi Mat Khatkao. Then you do this. So there's both sides to the story, you know, like both sides to the coin. So I am not saying I want to be her. I don't think I have done work which is like her. She's beyond me. I mean, she's much better. But sir, आंखों पे आपका compliment. Thank you so much that you think like this, and I shall work hard.
Yeah.
For
There's also a like झलकी है जब मैं ऐसे देखती हूँ ना.
थोड़ा
So when
सा
I see, yes, it is, and it is
थोड़ी
very
सी झलक
beautiful.
है.
very
I
beautiful.
know there is
Yeah.
a little bit.
Yeah. The last segment is hashtag show. So I'll take names, whatever comes to your mind first. You have to give
Oh,
hashtags.
okay.
And no cheating.
No cheating.
Okay.
I'll try.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Hashtag for Akshay Paji.
Oof. Hashtag prankster.
Abhishek.
यहाँ prankster था. Hashtag encyclopedia. Oh my God, he knows. He's like a dictionary. He's an
Okay.
encyclopedia. Yes.
Okay. Ritesh.
Hashtag intense.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, all the time. He looks very intense.
Okay. Prachi Desai.
Hashtag bubbles. She's the most bubbly girl. She
Yeah.
really like, yeah.
Shah Rukh Khan.
Hashtag king of romance.
Mm-hmm. Kangana.
Ooh, hashtag wild child. Yes.
Once in an interview, she said that about the gangster wala thing. It has never come across from your side. I mean, I've never heard, but she has come and said that.
She said that, yeah.
Yeah, but do you have any answer? Because she mentioned that luckily Chitrangada's husband wanted to something like quit her and.
I think, yeah, because I was also leaving work at that time. So I wasn't taking on more work. So
Yeah.
I gave up. So Gangster did come to me,
Yeah.
and I refused. And Anurag met me once or twice for the film. Again, जैसे मैं आपसे कह रही थी अभी, I've made some bad decisions. So yeah, that I didn't take. And then Tanu Vs Manu.
Yeah.
Anand Rai came to me not once but twice again for this one. So these two things, and I think she also has mentioned the same thing.
Yeah.
Like, yeah. So well, it's destiny, you know.
She was this time, I guess.
Yeah, of course,
yeah,
and I
yeah.
think she's brilliant. I
Yeah.
love her as an actor. She's fantastic.
Sara Ali Khan.
My God! Hashtag wild child again.
Again.
Absolutely.
You guys bonded really well.
Yeah, I love
Gaslight.
the girl. I love her. She is just such an amazing person.
Yeah.
You know, she's. I think hashtag no filter is Sarah.
She
That's who
is.
she is.
She
yeah.
is.
Yeah.
Saif Ali Khan.
Hashtag Nawab, man, in every which way. I think he lives it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Salman Khan.
Hashtag Prem.
Okay. Diljit.
Wow. Hashtag Surma.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, that's how I remember
Producer
it.
Sahiba.
Yes, that's
Yeah.
how I remember it.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
my favorite, yes.
Deepika.
She's hashtag perfectionist.
And lastly, John.
Oh, hashtag Desi boy. On the bike. Yes.
But then Chitrangada, like one thing which I have to compliment you again is that you've been the constant. आपने
Oh.
अपना एक impact छोड़ दिया है. Even if you've disappeared, but you've not disappeared from anybody's heart.
Thank you
And
so much.
We
Oh,
really
that's so
adore you
nice.
for that.
Thank you.
Filmy Gan adores you for that, especially.
Oh, thank you so much. My
Especially.
God, this is lovely.
Yeah.
Thank
So
you.
मैं चाहती हूँ एक आखिरी मैसेज दे दें आप फिल्मी ज्ञान की जनता को,
Hmm.
इन जनरल जनता को भी, कि आपको ढेर सारा प्यार दे, हाउसफुल 5 को भी.
Okay, so जितने भी हमारे व्यूअर्स हैं फिल्मी ज्ञान के, आई वांट टू विश यू ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट एंड ढेर सारा प्यार, और जितना प्यार आपने मेरे काम को मुझे दिखाया है और दिया है ओवर ऑल दीज इयर्स, आई विल ट्राई एंड वर्क हार्डर. ज़्यादा काम करूँगी, ज़्यादा दिखूँगी और ज़्यादा एंटरटेन करूँगी. सो थैंक यू सो मच. कीप द लव कमिंग. थैंक यू.
This is me, Disha Dasoria, signing off with a constant crush, Chitrangada. Thank you so
you.
much.